Do you remember the time that you were so excited that the school bell rang and it was time for you to go home? Guess what? The second best bell after the school bell is altcoins bell icon. So press the bell icon after you subscribe. Thank you. Let's get into the video. Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome back to Solana video update. Today we're looking at Solana on a Friday, 25 November. So we have a pump for Solana. We have 2 more days to close the candlesticks. We have 2 more days to close the weekly candlestick. Okay, now basically we probably could be making a little bit of that green candle right now, which next to it looks something like this. So one can say that, hey, we're making a potential bullish engulfing candlestick, but you're gonna confirm in the next 2 days, 17 hours. Now basically I want to dive into the daily for Solana right now, and I told you about 2 things in the last video, and the first thing was we had this particular support right there. You broke out of the support, you went back, but you really crossed that support. But what you have to focus on that very same video I told you, you're still gonna find another major resistance right here on the second resistance line. So this was your first resistance there, but you crossed it and then you end up to get rejected at the second resistance. So there's nothing good about that move. Okay, it's not good. Now number two, you have made a particular, almost like a hanging man candle. Do you see this candle right there? That's a hanging man candle. Number 3 is you have the EMAs, which is the 10 EMA, and you're not really crossing that 10 EMA. So this is a very big level of problem. It's just like a man being what do you call that? Tied on the front of a train, and that train is about to get smashed into a wall. You're really gonna be smashed into the wall. You're running right into the wall by tying a man on the front of the train. So it's really bad. I can say that it's really bad. 2 resistance like this, really bad. But now my take is that this is crypto, by the way. Okay, the wall can be so weak. This wall can be so weak that it can be smashed through. And if you start to see this coin going above 15.12, then this turns into a setup. Isn't that fun? That actually turns into a setup like this, and we're going to talk about that technical target for that setup. So basically this is going to be way more visible on the 4-hour time frame like that, and this is how the setup actually looks like. So you're coming down like that, and if you try to cross it and try to move higher, then you've broken out the resistance, and then you don't have the right to go down, but instead you have the right to move up to $19. And that's pretty much it for this update on Solana. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.